again, the hope here is to recognize that this is in fact a perfect square. So, kind of looking at it, I'm going to say, 3, let me get a little bit neater with that. I'm going to say 3x, and it's being squared, right? Because that's 9x squared. Then I'm kind of looking at the last term, and I know it has something to do with y plus z. I'll put this over here. Here's the deal, though. If I'm looking at it, I'm looking at the internal term, I definitely see the minus, right? So before I do anything, I want to see if it's right. And if I were to do that, what would I get? I would get 9x squared. And I'm actually just going to do the last term, and then I'll talk about the middle term. The last term when squared, which is y plus z, would just be y plus z quantity squared, all right? Then I'm going to get in the middle minus 2 times 3, which is 6, x, y plus z. Now, be honest with yourself. This is what they have over here. I'm seeing this, I'm seeing this, and I'm seeing this. I want to simplify it a tiny little bit, though. And the way I write that down, I'm going to write it down as, let's put it down, 3x minus y minus z squared. Now, I want to talk about sometimes when you're looking at an answer key, you say, oh, I didn't get my answer. I must have done something wrong, or they must have done something wrong. There's a way to rewrite this which may confuse you. And I'm not trying to confuse you, by the way, but factor in a minus 1. And I'll put this down for you. What would you get? Minus 3x plus y plus z. And this whole thing is being squared. And what would you get? Well, minus 1 squared is just 1. So what you left off with? Minus 3x plus y plus z. Now again, the intent here is not to confuse you. It's not to confuse you. Well, I'm sorry, I put the square there. So I'm going to say that this answer here, it's actually my preferred answer, this one here. But someone could have written this down, and it's still the same answer. It's still the same exact answer. Now, do I have them listed for you? I do. I list this answer, which is the one I prefer. I list one over here. Some students might have gotten that one as well. They're equivalent answers. Thank you.